Microsoft Word 2010 File Management Prepare and Publish. When your document is ready for publishing, you may use a built-in Word feature to check for any errors. To find the features, select File, Info, Prepare for Sharing. Check the issues. You may inspect the document for any hidden text, footers, and personal content, and you may choose options to remove the information. Another check feature is to check for the compatibility of the document. This will show you if your document can be opened in previous versions of Word. Once these are complete, you may publish your document by saving or sending it as a PDF, an XPS, or any other file type. You may also publish directly to the web or to a SharePoint